I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay in your Wallet app on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first step is to open your Wallet app. Now in the top corner, you're going to see a plus icon, and we're going to want to click that. Now in this section, you can add whichever option you have. Typically, you're going to be using a debit or credit card, so we'll click debit or credit card. You can read these options for some more info, but you can click continue, and all you're going to do is hold your card near your phone. I'm going to use this card for instance. Now it's adding the card. You don't need to hold your card next to the phone anymore. You're going to enter the CVV or the 3 digits on the back, and it may direct you to do different things based on the card you use, but in this particular instance, this debit card, when you're ready, click next and it will add the card. It'll ask you probably for agreeing to some terms and conditions, and then it will have added your card to your wallet. Typically, the card is going to ask you to verify your contact information through either a text message or an email, or you can even just call the bank. I'm just going to go with the text message option here and click next, and then it's going to send me a code, and typically Apple is just going to put the code in there for you when it gets it because it knows that it is a code. Now that it's set up, you can choose to set this as your default card. At the moment, I'm going to click not now since that's not the default card I want to use, and then you can also add it to your Apple Watch if you have one. If you'd like to add that, click add now. Now it's going to ask for the CVV again to add to my Apple Watch, so I'm going to type that in. When you're ready, click next, and now it shows the card has been added. I don't want this to be my default card as well there, so I'll click not now, and now the card has been added to my wallet, and as you can see, it's in the list right here, and you can see it is in your list of cards right here, and now you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.